This is a video all about me and about how I run my classroom. So I have been teaching for 14 years. I've taught pre-K, middle school, and third grade, but this is my 11th year teaching third grade. I have 3 kids, Peyton, Cole, and Reese, and here's some pictures of them. So this is Peyton, this is Reese, and this is Cole, and then this is Mr. Willison. I love English and French bulldogs, anything that involves water. I love to read, bike, do CrossFit, and golf. And these are pictures of my dogs. So this is Miggy, and he's an English bulldog. This is Booker, and he's a French bulldog. And this is Cleo, and she's a red lab. Why I teach? Well, the first thing is I want to make the world a better place, and I figure the best way to do that is by teaching the future generations of our country. I love third grade because it's the best grade ever. Kids still like me, and you guys are all so kind, but you can do stuff on your own too. And the other reason I like third grade is I did my student teaching at Central with Mrs. Goodmanson, and now I'm so lucky to work with her. And she is actually my best friend in real life too. So here's Mrs. Goodmanson and I. My goals for my classroom is I want my students to be independent, motivated, confident learners who enjoy learning. I want to teach students how to find the answers themselves, how to work with others, and how to learn from their mistakes. And my last goal is that I am a lifelong learner, and I want to help my students look at learning as a lifelong skill.